The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I don't have a lot of time to stay on this live, but me at work, somebody just come over one look area to address John Public. So let me address you people with over purple touch wall. Address you people with upon what shade room or Jamaica shade whatever. You guys are some son of a bitches, eh? I'm not gonna swear because as you see me still there at work. So I'm not gonna swear. I'm not gonna swear. I'm not gonna give you what you want. But here what's gonna happen. You know why most of these young girls have so much pitney and them not reach nowhere? Because someone will not tell them the truth. What is wrong about all these other people were talking about the story and trying to make the little girl understand, say not that she can't fuck on her pussy. You can fuck, but you been a fuck. At the end of the day, there's many ways to do this thing. What you all should do is go up on our page, inbox her, text her, and let you know that what she did was wrong. It's wrong and there's no other way to spell it. And also, even though I'm a big fan of Miss Donna not pay me, Facebook not pay me, Trishanna not pay me, I work my own money. I'm entitled for talk, I'm entitled for say everything. So you a bash me over where you want bash me and I do this and I do, dig me up, you don't know nothing about me, you don't have nothing upon me. Right? You don't have no receipt about me. Everybody make mistake. Me make mistake. Right? You talk about clout and fame. The people who me help at Jamaica for go school without Miss Donna program. And they send this and they send that. Me have Western Union paper. Them in my dirty chuck when I have that so. Right? So I don't understand how you say, oh, if you don't want to donate, if you go donate and talk about it, don't talk. You guys are some set of a mother effer. You understand? And that's why I'm gonna say it again. I'll say it over and over and over. That's why these young people, it will never be right with them because of people like Uno. People like Uno will stand up and tell these younger people the truth. Right? The truth is that you just get the place and your pussy, you fuck all you want and you do what you want. You don't have to tell any lie about it. What was wrong about the story? What was wrong about the story? Ain't nothing wrong about the story. It was, look at how much money she get. Most of what I don't donate nothing. Eh? So whether you donate this week, next week, last week, the year before, the first time the program start, there are people out here who wants to donate to Donna's program and still will donate to Donna's program regardless of what someone want to say. You understand? So who will look clout? Who will look clout? Who will look fame? There's no fame to this. The truth is the truth. And you need to stop it. And you need to tell the young girls them the truth. And unless you tell them the truth, them won't realize and come to reality. Right? And if someone no mama never tell you say you drop out of sky, because me grew up here, my grandmother me grew up. My grandmother me grew up with. And me grew up here say you drop from sky. No, fuck all. You fuck a pussy, you baby come. Baby come. People must talk it as it is. There's no two sides to this. So if you send me over Pinkwall or wherever wall you want to send me, that does not bother me. What y'all need to do the time when you take a comment and you bash me over there, you need to call the girl and tell her, say, listen, you know you get the little money, go put in one IUD. There's a lot of stuff she can put in her so she not get pregnant. Why y'all not pick a topic like that? Why you not pick a topic like that to tell her she forgot do this and she forgot do that? And why y'all not tell her forgot build a house instead of pay rent? Una smart? Una smart? But you jump on my case. You all don't need to jump on my case. Because I not call no, I not beg no, nothing. I do what I want to do voluntarily. Voluntarily. Miss Donna never call me and beg me nothing, whether for Trishanna program or any other else program that she did. It is not about giving the money. It's about telling the girl what is right. Wanna sit down there and marry with her and happy with her. I hope when the money done. I hope when the money done she can screenshot someone name and face and call to feed the pitney them. You understand? It's not about what Trishanna want to do. I know say on my topic. Duh. Miss Donna can't talk for herself. People have to talk for her. People have to talk fair. Independent people have to talk fair. Yes, you have to talk fair. So, me not understand if me talk about the topic. I wasn't even this riving. I wasn't this upset when I was talking about the girl. Whatever I said wrong about her, I have not said nothing wrong about that girl. Practically one never go so. Huh? I me tell her I forgot have man underneath her bed and Donna catch her. I me tell her, did I not say Miss Donna never have no right for go underneath her bed? Did I say she have all right? But you want pick out, you want pick out and a split justice. Go and get Tashana, Trishanna, Washana, wherever she name, number, and you guys talk to her counselor, tell her what it is. Stop make the little girl be in a denial with her damn self. Because you know all attack, and you same one I go see her with one next belly down the road. On the same one I go see her with one next belly down the road. You busy for come over on my page, for take my video, for send it go on you want to send it, but me not go say what me really want to say. Because me in my uniform. Me not go say what me really and truly want to say. Panda live here. But you upset me. I'm not upset about you send me video now. Me upset. Hold on, all my fucking phone are dead. I'm not supposed to swear. Me upset about the fact that you're not telling the little girl the truth. Tell her the truth. Warn her. Tell her about what Kaki can do to her. Because she have the young kids them already. Teach her. Nobody now say the girl can't fuck. Nobody now say the girl can't do this and she can't do that. Nobody now say that. Right? Nobody now say that. Right? But you quick for jump on other people. Go and take the girl. If you don't want to joke him in the eye, counsel him. When my grandmother counsel me, talk to me. If me want bad, me bad. Anything me become, yes. But you sit down there being some set of motherfucking hypocrites. Right? Hypocrites you all be. Go and get the girl and counsel her. Go get her and counsel her. And talk to her. You can't tell people what side would fit take from one of it take. Me can't tell her no breed. Me know the way she there. You understand? But you sit down there and act like what she do was right. What she do was right. Eh? You sit down there and act like what she do was right. And I talk about who I look clout. Me look like Cardi B and Nicki Minaj if you look clout. Me okay with my money when I work. And the minimum wages my work. And the minimum wages my work. But me okay with when I work. Me no work minimum wages. So therefore, if me put in the effort for do my job, and get my money, and me do whatever I want to do with my money, why should it be a problem with Uno? Why should I be a problem with Uno? Uno set a two-faced bagginess. Eh? Why should I be a problem with Uno? Yeah, you can go share this one over Pinkwall too, or you want to share Purple Touch or Purple Rain or whatever you want to do with. Tell the girl the truth. Teach her. Eh? Teach her me someone who say, oh, leave the girl with her money alone. What do you mean leave her with her money alone? She know how the money work. She don't know how the money work. So if somebody offer to help her, congratulations, somebody offer to help her. Right? Somebody offer to help her. Right? Somebody offer to help her. Right? Either way, 10, 50, 20, me always gonna say that. Because when you do one shift a day, if you do 10 shifts for the day, all your money count up for the week. Right? And the money matters. Go and sit and talk to the little girl and be honest to her and tell her what it is. You understand? Back in the days, people, I'm going to say this again, they used to tell we as young people, so we drop from sky. No, you push your hood in your pussy, or a man pushing your hood in your pussy, either way, whatever way you want to put it, and you breed. So, in a case where she get help and people talk about it, me never come and say, oh, dirty girl, this, that, blah, blah, blah. I know me no curse the girl. I know I don't say nothing bad about the girl. I don't say nothing bad about the girl. So, me not understand. Me not understand when I talk about clout. Clout? For what? Facebook can't pay me. Miss Donna can't pay me. Trishanna can't pay me. So, me not understand what that pan. Is this for real or it's some joke or something? It must be some joke. And that's why I'm going to say this again. You will always have a baby mother in Jamaica with 5, 6, 7, 8 pitney. Young teens me I talk about. You will always have them because you not tell them what it is. Talk to them. You understand? Talk to them. Every child learn different. Every teenager learn different. Some teenager want to experience it before you can even teach them. So me not understand. Me not understand. Me not understand. You know, sit down and act like the whole thing was wrong. And people pick up Trishanna's story or Tashana or whatever she want to because it has nothing to do with us. We care. That's why we were talking about it. It's a form of caring. You understand? It's a form of caring. So what you all fuckers need to do now is get off my fucking live on my page and go talk to her. Counsel her. Tell her, say, yo, my girl, you know you have how much pitney already, rare, whatever the case may be. Build a fucking house too. You know, put up on one bedroom because it belongs to you. Anything when you're in your name belongs to somebody else. No boy can come take me out of my truck. No boy can come take me out of nothing when me in. It belongs to me. It belongs to me. When I go to school and I graduate, whatever I get belong to me. So don't come sit there and act like, oh, it's okay. You guys need to stop it, man. You need to tap it. Tell the girl like it is. Go and tell her like it is. Instead of me there work and somebody send me the video. I'm not too bright. I'm not too bright. If me no mind to share it because me hopefully that you get cross to her and should understand. But you know underneath my video I make a statement and I do all what I want to do and I say all what I want to say. For real? Are you guys okay? Maybe I'm dreaming or something. Is that for real? What do you mean? Try to get clout or hype or whatever it is. Facebook not pay me. When I create my page, a little goes a long way, right? It was just for, I created it for fun. Fun things because me like fun. Me like fun. I'm do crazy stuff, right? So me not understand if that was a hot topic where I think that what she did was wrong. Me never depend and say that girl Trishanna, ya whore, ya this and ya that. No, I didn't do that. I was just talking to her, right? So since you know when the thing get hot, all the people I'm sure that send back for their money. All of them that send back for their money, then whosoever talk would have realized how shitty and messy the situation was. How shitty and messy the situation was. So Miss Donna look out for Trishanna and the public were donated to her. And I look them look out for her. And I look them look out for her and hopefully she don't make no more mistake. You think me I go waste my time on blackboard like you know? And that's why you always have more and more teenage pregnancy at Jamaica. More and more because you not be honest. You not be honest with them and tell them when they're wrong, say they're wrong, instead of beat them and boof them, sit them down and talk to them. So I saw no over there cuss me and want to fight me and they jump on me. Go and sit down with the girl. The time you take a text me and they do whatever, you would go over there, find her number and talk to her and make sure know what time it is. And you all talk about, oh, give the girl her blood clot money, this, that. No, me shouldn't have swear now. Give the girl her money, do this, rare. I worried about you now. I worried about you because when Trishanna hungry, when she want him come back on hungry again, make sure you can help her. I would dare for hear about you now. I would dare for hear about you now. When you think 825,000 money? When you think it's a money, but it's not, it is enough for her to can be able to do something. It's enough for her to be able to do something, put up a one room, a bathroom, later on you think about the veranda, you're not thinking. You're not thinking. So let me think for you and tell you what you have to do. You understand? And nobody now beg you to do it either. Go and get all, you see all who don't want to talk, make sure you're over there. If you put up black, and if you do this, and if you do that, and when our money run out in a rent. When our money run out in a rent, you can't help her. Alright? So you just get the fuck off of my name and off of me. I'm going to sit down and listen to yourself. Me once somebody say, oh, the comment was she was right. Voice note it. Voice note it. Can nobody not afraid of uno? Nobody not afraid of uno. Uno mouth can't do nothing. But what if you use it though, is go and talk to the girl. Make sure you know what it is. Right? What time it is. What's happening. What go on.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect, you know. Now, I just presented this video to you that is out on social media, and this video shows of a female saying some things. You see me? Now, according to what had been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a female who had responded to fans of Pinkwall, Purple Touch, and Jamaica Shade Room. It is said that this had happened because this female had made comments towards something that had happened between two females who are known as Miss Donna and Trishanna. You see me? And according to how I understand it, it seems as if, some negative comments had been made about what this female had said. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and for those who might not know, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video that is going to take you to a video that is going to show a little bit about the whole thing that had happened between Miss Donna and Trishanna. You see me? And this whole thing that had happened between Miss Donna and Trishanna, it seems to have hit out there in the world, like it out there big. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, I see videos out there where persons are talking about this whole thing that had happened between Miss Donna and Trishanna. You see me? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this whole thing between Miss Donna and Trishanna, you see me? And let me know what you think about the things that this female had said in this video, alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it. Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.